Today is look crazy day because it's a full work day. I have nothing on my calendar today besides to work, and I've got a lot of stuff to get done. So what I will be doing today in today's vlog is showing you a full work day with me, all the different jobs, type ins and outs of things that I do, and basically just kind of like how I get things done and just what a normal work day in my life is. Long story short, I'll explain it later in the video, but if you don't know what I do, my number one job that we do, our full-time income, why we live the way we do and things like that, is because me and my husband own a wedding photo, video, and photo booth company, so we run that shindig, and then on the side, I am an assistant for Emily Frisilla, and then on the side, something that I'm also passionate about is obviously YouTube and blogging and things like that. So I kind of like put that on my job category because I treat it like a job, even though it's like not really a job. But yeah, I just wanted to take you behind the scenes of a workday in my life. Let's go. Got the Christmas tree. I should probably turn all these lights on, but I actually don't. It's not, I don't know, I'm fine. And then I'm watching some Hallmark, and I've got my little desk here, my coffee, my water, and yeah, we're about to start. I took these pictures. And basically what I'm going to be doing is my boss literally does everything in the world, so this is a little thing that I get to help her with, and this is just setting up some stuff for her Pinterest and things like that. So what I've done is I took this photo and I saved it to my computer, and I'm going to be making a Pinterest graphic. So I am on Canva. If you have not used Canva, you definitely need to because it is just the greatest. There's a free version where you can use the stuff. You do have to be a little bit creative, obviously. They do have these templates pre-made, but you do have to kind of like, like I said, be creative with it. So I picked this one, which like obviously does not look like something that I would want to use for a hot chocolate recipe, but we're going to go with it. So I'm going to go to the uploads, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this picture in. This is hard to do with one hand. So went ahead and dropped that picture in. It's already looking pretty good. I like to put in my boss's logo too, so I'm gonna have to play around a little bit with this and see what looks best, because since it does have that gray background, it might not look nice here. Oh, I could put it up here. We'll see. I'm gonna play around with this a little bit, and I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, it was really hard for me to pause that, because this Hallmark movie is getting pretty crazy. It's like these two couple, like they like work together, they're gonna fall in love, just, pretty saucy. Anyways, okay, made the graphic, and then my boss obviously wrote up what she wanted for the blog post, so she emailed that to me. I plugged it into this, made it look all cutesy, and yeah, so now I'm going to text her the graphic that I created here, and the link so she can put it on her little swipe up, and then we're going to put all of this into Pinterest as well so it can get some more traffic. Okay, so I also made a few different posts of the same posts, so they just look a little different. Not anything crazy, obviously, but just made a few different ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to start plugging these into an app called Tailwind, which is what a subscription thing that you can use for Pinterest, and it basically helps get your post out there, and I'm going to schedule some posts. So that way, neither of us have to like post every single day. It'll post for us. All this information set up the right way, and then schedule out some posts for the week. This movie's getting wild. The guy, okay, long story short, she fell. Some guy came, and he was like supposed to be this like, prince or whatever, but he's actually super sketchy, so it's probably not going to work out. Getting crazy. Okay, anyways, in the past 10 minutes, I realized I spelled Coco wrong, so I redid these and then plugged these into the little thingy for posting. Now I'm downstairs in my actual office with my husband, and I'm going to show you some eating food because I forgot to show you guys what I am eating for lunch. It's 3 o'clock, and this is so good. I'm about to do some work for Chosen, which is my photography business with my husband, and then do some of my other work. So I'm about to start getting ready to work. And this is a little pad of paper that my boss actually has and came out with. It's pretty cool because I put down the things that no negotiables I have to get done today. So these are the things I need to get done. this is some things that, what's this need? Also would like to get done, but it's like, okay if I don't, but I still like need to. But this is like, I don't have an option. Like I have to get it done. And then this, which has nothing right now, is more like if there's like fun things I wanted to get done or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna just start working through this and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, it's 4:30 and I am still doing chosen work. So that means basically editing this beautiful wedding. So I transitioned back to my own personal things. So, editing the vlog that I filmed yesterday, that will be going up here shortly. I'm a little behind on that. And then I think I might go ahead and end this vlog and edit that too. I literally look crazy, but I'm just gonna get over it because I'm about to get ready in like 30 minutes because we have church here at 7 o'clock. Not here, but like, yeah, you get it. But yeah, if you still don't know what I do for my job, I am full-time with my husband, full-time, whatever, our main gig is Chosen Photography, which is a wedding photography and videography and photo booth business, and that's what we do. And then on the side, I work for, as an assistant for Emily Priscilla, and she does, she has cookbooks and planners and literally boss lady of the world. She's awesome. So that's kind of like my fun little job. I don't like have to do it, but it's like so fun. And I literally love working for her. So that's why I do that. And then my other, I wouldn't call it a job, but like I obviously love YouTube and very passionate about that in my blog. So then I'm doing that as well. So that's basically everything I do work day in my life. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos, work-related type videos like this one, leave me a comment below because I'm very interested to know if you like these types of videos. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.